back to my video vlog again. And now is Monday. Um, my first go to campus. My first day go to campus after weekend. Um, Tomorrow my campus have event about open house, and I I participate about participate the event that I prepare what eh, yes, that's I participate about event. The event done in evening is 2 3 p.m. Or after Asad. In the event, people very excited about see the project mahasiswi, project student Polytechnic IDN. So many project from designer major and TRP major, like web and application, and have a game in learning programmer. The game is very funny because that is play Logica. Yes, but tomorrow is very fun, happy, but is very tired because many people come. So yeah, that is okay. So this is a vlog done 3 minutes. So thank you for your watching, and see you the next video vlog. Bye bye.